Good day mga ka-online palaboy! We are still in the Asakusa district. And our next stop, one of my wish list in my Tokyo tour, is the Conveyor Belt Sushi. I'm here at the Kura Sushi. Before my visit here, I made a reservation 6 days ago when I'm still in Doha, where I learned due to its popularity, seats will be difficult if you will visit Kura Sushi on the day of your dining, and you must be here at least 30 minutes before your schedule. So I'm trying to access now my reservation. But when I'm trying to input my reservation seat number, it's invalid. When I accidentally turn on my left side, I notice their English instructions for self-check-in. So the reservation number that I am supposed to input is the number of persons to be dining. That's why it's invalidated because I exceeded the maximum number, which I input 201. Since I cannot able to access my reservation, I just made a new table for myself. I'm on the number 26. I'm so lucky to have a group seating setup and not single chair dining. This is so amazing. The table has its own hot water faucet. First time to see like this. The table is so ergonomic. The utensils and condiments are on the surface compartment of the table. I just prepared myself a hot matcha drink before I begin ordering. I just noticed that there are 3 types of soy sauce on the table. I will taste it individually later. When ordering, the QR code needs to be scanned into the cell phone so you can access the menu and log the order. For the first order, I had the salmon mayo. The price of the sushi starts at 115 yen only. Very affordable. Wow, that's so quick! I just got the pickled ginger to top the salmon. I love the ginger, well, because it simply helps to eliminate the aftertaste of the fish. I'm looking for wasabi but I find nothing in the compartment. There you go, the tempura has arrived. I can't escape the tempura. Shrimp is my comfort food. Then, I ordered sea urchin and miso clam. To my surprise, I saw the plate of wasabi in the conveyor and I grabbed it immediately. Actually, eating rice is not part of my diet now, since I have a big breakfast at Apa Hotel and I'm still full at the moment. But since Kura Sushi is within the Asakusa area, I decided to try it now and experience the conveyor belt style sushi dining. It's lunchtime and it's Tuesday, and many tables are still empty, so this is the best time to visit Kura Sushi. This is just my second plate and I feel full already. When the order is ready, it will appear on the screen.
Parating na.
This time, sea urchin and clamisu are on the table. The sea urchin sushi is so adorable. It is seated in a specially folded paper, making the dish so special.
Inaano kayo, pinupukaw nila kayo sa presentation. Tignan mo, may pakarton pa si Nino.
I'm starting to feel the kick of wasabi now, but it's so satisfying. It's burning my nose. Miso soup is my favorite. It will always be present in my dining every time I had a Japanese meal. While I'm looking for another item to have, I haven't noticed that the eel sushi has arrived. Then I continue ordering scallop sushi. I got also wasabi in the second round. At last, my eyes glance at the eel sushi.
You know.
This wasabi is so different from all that I have tasted. It has this texture of a shredded-like finish. It's so playful on the tongue. And the scallop has arrived so quickly that record-breaking. You will enjoy your dining experience here. Aside from fascinating deliveries of sushi from the conveyor belt, you will also have the chance to play some games like the Bikkurapon game and the slot game, wherein you have to slide 5 pieces of finished sushi plates at the slot to qualify, which I will play it later. Now, I'm tasting the different types of soy sauce. This one, a little bit salty.
Parang toyo.
I will drink some water first to cleanse my taste bud so I can really appreciate the next soy sauce.
Ito manamis na mix.
Sweet taste. Neutral taste. I grab a piece of chili flakes. This one looks so big in the picture, but in reality, it's just a small piece. And I have also the chili oil. I'm trying to pick some dessert, but matcha is not available. So I decided to finish my dining and play the slot game. When you slide the plates at the slot, the computer immediately detects it and promptly started the computer-initiated game. Hoping to win on my first visit. Cross finger. The luck is on my side this time. I won the game. I feel like a kid when I got the prize. Let's see what's inside.
Okay, nanalo tayo. Unang sabak natin dito sa Kura Sushi, nanalo tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa loob. Aha.
Well, my energy suddenly went down as I get an animated printed tape. Before I build out, I take a last cup of matcha tea.
Actually mga ka-online palaboy, ang naging bill lang natin ay
Wow, my bill is just 976 yen. This is very reasonable. When billing out, it needs to tap the button on the monitor first. Then I immediately proceed to the cashier's counter for self-payment. When you are in Japan, you have to learn to do payment on the machine on your own. First, I scanned the table code. Then the computer showed the bill. So fascinated every time the machine gives me a change in coins. I'm starting to get used to it. Thank you for dining with me. See you on the next episode.